good morning. So, I'm driving in Montana from Billings to Great Falls, and this is the first snow of the year. Yeah, first snow. Behold, behold, people gather around and see the snow. The first one. I'm going to Canada, and in Canada in loads of places. In Calgary, on Crow's Nest, in Canadian Rockies, it's already snowing. So, please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the notification bell, and you'll be able to see more snow in the future, because this is just the beginning. At the moment we don't have snow on the road, but who knows further north. It's morning, it's 6:30 in the morning, and I started on my way to Calgary, but surprise, surprise, a bit of snow, yeah? So take care, bye!